let me show you the quick and easy process on how you can get logged into your Chat GPT account using your Google account. Now, if you have created your Chat GPT account using your Google account and you don't know how to get logged in, then this video will help you to get logged into your Chat GPT account using your Google account. And before we start the video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future uploads from our channel. Now let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC, and there on the URL, search for chat.openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be directed to this type of interface where you will be able to see two buttons on your screen. Now, in order to get logged into your ChatGPT account, you have to tap on login button and it will take you to the login page of ChatGPT. Now, if you have created your ChatGPT account using your email address, then you have to type in your email address here and then tap on continue button. But if you have created your account using your Microsoft account, then you have to tap on this button which says continue with Microsoft account. And there you have to type in your Microsoft email, phone or Skype ID. Then you have to tap on next button and then you have to type in the Microsoft account password and then you will get logged into your ChatGPT account. But in the case you have created your ChatGPT account using your Google account, you have to simply tap on continue with Google button. And there you have to tap on the email address that you have used to create your ChatGPT account. And there you go, you have successfully get logged into your ChatGPT account. Now that was the quick and easy process on how you can create your ChatGPT account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.